welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 40 of GK for class. So let's begin with chapter number 40 of GK for class 1, and the name of the chapter is days, months and years. So right, हमें पता है कि हमारे यहाँ total 7 days होते हैं, 12 months होते हैं, right? And we all have counted those days and months into a year, right? So now we are going to learn about those days and those months in a year. So let's begin with this. A calendar is a chart showing days. Calendar जो है वो एक चार्ट होता है जो हमें days, weeks, months और years के बारे में बताता है, right? So let's begin with the first exercise. Write the days of the week here. So जैसे कि हमें पता है कि हमारे वीक में टोटल 7 डेज होते हैं, राइट? सो नेम द डे ऑन विच योर स्कूल इज क्लोज्ड इन रेड. सो एक ऐसा डे भी होता है जिस दिन आपका स्कूल जो है वो उस दिन बंद रहता है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू नेम दैट डे एंड यू हैव टू गिव दैट डे इन रेड कलर, राइट? सो let's begin. So the first day of the week is counted as Sunday, right? So let's write Sunday over here, Sunday. After that, Sunday we have Monday. Next day after Monday comes the Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Next we have Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. After that, after Wednesday we have Thursday. So let's write Thursday over here, Thursday. Thursday. Next, the next day after Thursday comes the Friday, Friday. Friday. Next day we have the last day of the week, that is Saturday, right? So now we all know that our school is being closed on Sunday, on the very first day of the week. So let's color this Sunday let's color this Sunday with a red color, right? So let's erase it and let's write this Sunday with a red color, right? Let's pick red color and we are going to write Sunday over here, Sunday, Sunday, right? So that's the first exercise. Now let's begin with the second exercise. So a year has 12 months. हमें पता है कि एक साल में we have 12 months, right? Here write only the first 9 months. और हमें यहाँ पर सिर्फ शुरू के 9 months जो है वो लिखने हैं, उनका नाम लिखना है. So let's begin with the first one. The first month of the year is January. So let's write January over here. The next month is named as February. So let's write February over here, February, February. Next, the third month of the year is March, March. After that, we have April, the fourth month of the year. Then after April, we have May. After May, we have June as the 6th month of the year. After June, it comes July, right? July is the 7th month of the year. Next, after July, we have August, and August is considered as the 8th month of the year. After August, we have September, and September is the 9th month of the year. So these are the first 9 months of our year, right? So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned about the days and the months of the year. So thank you so much and have a good day ahead.